I'm going to show you how to share a link in Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is generate an invite link that you can share from the host device. So first you want to run Parsec and go to the Computers tab and click on the Share button. And then it will give you a link that you can right click to copy. And then you can basically send that link to your friends or whoever is trying to connect by simply sending it over Discord or any other app that you're using. Now your friend can copy that URL or link that you've sent him, and it can go to computers and paste it on the bottom right side here where it says join with a share link or peer ID. And once you paste the link here, you can press this join button to join the session or send a request to join the session. And if you click on this cross mark here, will stop the sharing and the link is going to be invalidated. So people no longer will be able to use that link to join a session that you're hosting or connect to your computer. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.